In the playlist of overloading, we are targeting all tricky interview questions always being asked. So let's finish this case as well. Yeah, so in this one video, mostly we will talk about widening and boxing unboxing cases of overloading. So if you can see on the screen, we have two methods now, int x and integer x as a parameter we are taking. So I know that you guys know generally we create an hierarchy and where we find the most specific to get exact match. So this time it is not like we have object, under that we have integer. It's not like that. Int is a primitive data type while integer is wrapper. So always remember, when you have this type of case, priority always goes to primitive data types. And this concept we call widening wins over boxing. Means int x will take the priority over integer, and hence whenever we will pass 110 from object.getDetails, from print int x would be the output because it has a parameter as a primitive data types. Let's say you said that I remove this integer and I am having the long x method, then as well print int x would be the output because int x is always taking priority. But let's say you have like this, you have integer and you have long. So the exact match is wrapper integer. But if we have this primitive, then it always goes for from print int x. But now you coming to me and let's say you are saying I am changing my primitive into int array. Then exact match would be integer, right? Because int array is out of picture now. So the answer would be from print integer x. But now let's say you are saying instead of 110 I am passing null. In that case, ambiguity would be the answer. And it is because if you remember that this null is acceptable by int array, integer and long. First case is they are at same level, integer and long. Also int array x belongs to different branch. So it is quite tough for the JVM to resolve. That's why it is a ambiguity. Hope you remember this case. I have already discussed this in my earlier videos. For any confusion you can refer that. Let me show you one more case. Imagine you have these two methods and this time you have long comma int in a first method, int comma integer in a second method. And now you are trying to pass 10 comma 20 from the main call. Which exactly would be called and why? So from print long and int would be the answer. Let me tell you why could that be happened. Imagine from here you are passing int from the main. Okay. Now we would see can also accept int, right? And might be after seeing the second method, you may think that here it is int comma integer. So I guess this is most appropriate, but no. Clearly no, because it always follows the principles of three things, which I always suggest to you that first it always looks for exact match. Secondly, it looks for widening. And after that it looks for boxing unboxing, and here it is the case that it would be sorted on widening, and widening is which is passing a lower size data to a higher size data type. So whenever int is coming, int data type can be accepted by long will resolve this int, and second int argument is specific anyway. So in that case from print long and int would be the output. Hope you enjoyed this session and learnt a lot, and in case things are not clear you can revise. Thank you everyone.